Hi, yo YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And I hope you all had a very good Merry Christmas and are enjoying this Happy New Year that we have among us. So in this video, I am installing, as you can see, Windows 11. This is the BMW build that I had the first responding nurse build last year. And I had Windows 10 initially installed on it, and I decided to try to upgrade to Windows 11 version 22H2 because it seems a lot more stable. I actually installed this on my laptop and I haven't had any issues or hiccups with it. So I decided to go ahead and try to install it on my desktop to see how it runs. Now, what I want to make this video about showing you is that when you decide to upgrade your computer from Windows 10 to Windows 11, you have a total of 10 days to test it out. And to me, that's not a whole lot of time to get to know or get yourself a little more familiar with the upgrade or the program. So right now I'm installing Windows 11, and once it finishes installing, it's going to give me 10 days to try it out. I don't care for having 10 days. They should have made it, Microsoft should have made it a lot longer. They should have given you at least 20 or even 30 days. But when this finishes installing, I'm going to show you how you can expand that trial time from 10 to 60 days. That should give you enough time to check out the upgrade and get to know it more fluently. I'm going to let this finish, and when it does, I'm going to come back and show you all how it's done. Okay, I am back and Windows 11 has fully installed, and I'm going to type in WNVER to show you that it is installed. Windows 11, the newest version is 22H2, and this is Windows 11 Pro, and it is fully installed. Now that we have it installed, we need to show how many days we have until we are able to not be able to go back to Windows 10. So with that, you're going to go down to the search bar and you're going to type in PowerShell, and you're going to type or click Run as Administrator. I'm going to expand this so you can see. Now this is a little more advanced for some beginners, but if you type it exactly out as I say, you should come out with the same results that I come out with. If you come up with an error, check your spelling because this can be a little tricky, but type it exactly as I say to type it. You're not going to mess anything up, so even if you do mess up, you just start over. It's not going to break your computer, so there's no need to fret about you damaging or breaking your computer. This is not going to happen. So you're going to type in all caps the letter DISM space / capital O N lowercase LINE lowercase space / get capital G hyphen capital OSU lowercase install capital W window. So you should have this same command that I just displayed on the screen. Press enter and you're going to see that the uninstall window is 10 days. So once 10 days hits, you can't go back to Windows 10. Now we're going to expand this 10 to any number of days that you wish to choose. I'm going to choose 30. Now it's the same command that we just typed, but there are some subtle differences. Once again, type in capital letters DISM space / online space / and instead of get, you're going to type in set, S-E-T, capital S-E-T hyphen OSU uninstall window space / value colon, let's say 60 days. This is just an example. Press enter. It says operation is completed successfully. Now, to make certain that the operation worked, even though it says operation completed successfully, you're gonna retype in the capital DISM / online space / get -OS uninstall window. Press enter. And as you can see, it now says uninstall window 60 days. Now you can set this number as any number you want. We're gonna do another example. You're gonna type in DISM space / online space / set. If you want to set the number to whichever number you want, you're gonna always select set and not get. Get is if you want to see what the value number is, meaning the number of days you have until you roll back. You're not able to roll back to Windows 10. Press enter. It's going to tell you the operation completed successfully, and we're going to check to make certain that that is true. You're going to type in DISM space / on the line space / get space OS uninstall window. Press enter, and as you can see, the uninstall window is 35 days. Now I'm going to leave it at 35 days, but I want to show you exactly how you can set it from 10 days to 60 days. I don't know if we can go any higher than that, but 2 months should be enough for you to be able to get used to the operating system. You can exit by typing in EXIT. Press enter and it'll bring you back to the desktop. And that's it. That's all you have to do. I hope this helps you guys out. In the description box, I'm going to leave the command down there so you can actually read on how the command is typed out. So that way that can also be more of a reference to you. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.